Hello from Contentrain development team. Let's explore how to manage the localization in your project. To support multiple languages in your content models, you must first add these languages in your project settings. To access there, just click on Settings at the bottom of the menu. Switch to the Localization tab. Let's add Turkish. Please note that the number of languages you can add is limited by your plan's allowances. To start creating content in your selected languages, it's crucial to activate localization for your content model. You can either do that initially when creating a new model, or later by editing your model. Let's go to the model section to do that now. Click here to edit the JSON model. Turn the localization switch on and update model to configure your model for multilingual use. Click Manage Content and add your first content. On the right panel, under the Localizations heading, you can see the languages you have added to your project settings. Here, you can select a language for your content, delete it or add it again if you like. Let's select Turkish and create our content. Now we are ready to save it, publish it immediately, or schedule it to publish later. For further details, feel free to watch our other walkthrough videos.